more time. I am
am
Eugene
Eugene
Logan
Logan
Lee Redoblado. I am 2 years old. My daddy's name is Appa Jan. My mommy's name is Amma Kim. I love you. Oh, Eugene. Girl or boy? Yuna or Sujin? Yuna or Sujin? Down. 1, 2, 3, go. Eugene, what's this? This one? This one? Squirrel. Ramya. What's this? Mike. What's this? What's this? This one? Magnet. Ostrich. Pineapple. Come on. Pineapple. No, this one first. This one, Eugene. This one. Okay, sit down there. Okay, what's this? Huh? Hippo. This one? What's this? Baby. This one? Baseball. This? Hey, what's this? Fish. This one? This one? This one? This one? What's this? What's this? Is it a boat? Okay. This one? Umbrella. This one? Is this car? Car? No. Stroller. No. Stroller. Thumb. Mat. Very good. Okay, Eugene, let's count. 1, Yay!
Let him go up. He can count. Eugene, 14, 15, 16.
18, 19,
He jumps. He's confused with the 11 and the 12.
How did he know about the 14, 15?
Okay, 2.
Fourteen,
17.
18, 19, 20. Yay!
Colors. What color is your horsey? What color? Blue.
What
How
color
about
is your slide? Yellow.
how about the guitar? What colors are the guitar? No. This one. What color is this guitar?
This one, what color? This one, what color? This one, what color? This one, what color is this? No, baby, this I think is orange. This
Yellow,
one?
orange.
Yeah, purple. This is pink, baby. How about this, what else? How about this? What color is this? Red. Eugene, what letter is this? What letter is this? G. Let's do the alphabet. A.
said 9, 10. Very good.
High five.
Songs naman, songs.
Song.
Jesus Loves Me. Or anything. Twinkle, twinkle, Eugene. Twinkle.
Twinkle, little star. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You don't
You
want
don't do that.
You don't want
You don't do that.
Mouth.
Oh.
Where's your eyes? Oh. What's this? What's this? No. What's this?
It's playing na.
Where's your nose? Nose. This is your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your neck? Where's your kili? Where's your elbow? Where's your hand? Where is your tongue? Where is your teeth? Where's your lips? Where's your cheeks? Where's your hair? Oh, what your feet? Yay! Where is your back? Where? There.
Where's your kochu?
Got you. Where's
Yuck.
your tongpe? Where's your tongpe? Where's